What's up, guys? It is a hot summer day. As you can see, I am pretty burnt. But we are going out to a community park and we're gonna try to catch some carp. I lost a fish last time I went there. Switched the hooks, made my own hair rigs. We're gonna try to see if we can't catch these carp before the storm rolls in. Let's go. All right, guys, today we're keeping it simple. Regular breadcrumbs in there. Also, I just realized there was a screw at the bottom of the bucket, so we're gonna see if that doesn't spike the fish's activity up a little bit. Another one in. Probably don't need this much bait, but why not? And then, obviously, our whole grain sweet corn. It's the best carp bait all around. I mean, even in the UK, all around the world. This is the #1 bait that everyone says. It's a necessity. It's a necessity. I don't think I'll ever carp fish without it unless I'm trying to like challenge myself, or you know, maybe I don't have it. Like, you can use regular breadcrumbs and then fake corn, but something about that sweet corn smell, man, the fishes, they adore. So throw that in there with the juices. That's a very crucial part. Shallower water. Ethan hooked me up with the water, so it's gonna need a little bit of it. I ditched the Temu rigs, like I said, tied my own. If you guys want a video on how to tie hair rigs, I can make that. If you guys want a video on how to in-depthly make this video or make this bait, then I can do so as well. I caught about a 25-incher. You see that it's on my channel, it's on my shorts. I'll even throw it on the screen right now. But, you know, we'll see if we don't need all that fancy mumbo jumbo. We're going simple. I mean, there's no flavoring in this other than breadcrumbs and corn. Simple as that. And what was the total? Do you remember? Like,
it was like $5.98.
Oh, really? Yeah, $5.98. Yeah. And you got dang near a half gallon or a half a bucket of bait, right? Now this will last you 2, 3, 4 days, depending on the temperature. If it's in like a refrigerator or a place really cool, then it could even last you a week and a half. And depending on the corn, I've noticed, because I made a batch and it was cooler out in the garage. It lasted me like a week and a half, so that was really nice. We are going to go catch them carp right now. We're going to take our poles out and catch you out of the water. All right, got both lines out, both balls of pack bait. One shallow right there, and we got one right there. Ethan has his out too, just seen a flash of lightning. I only want to catch one fish, honestly, because it seems like it's going to roll in a lot faster than what we thought. No, there ain't. Huh. Huh. All right, guys, I'm hiding under a pine tree. We're going to get out of here. It's coming down too hard and I don't have an umbrella like I thought I did. All right, guys, here's the setup. It's the same spot I was at before. We're under this right here, so we're going to be good. However, I forgot the net all the way yonder. So, if we catch a big fish, then we're just going to have to bring him up here, do our best to control him as much as we can, tire him out. And if we can't, then we're almost shit out of luck. We're going to launch our plain breadcrumb corn just off these trees here. Not too far offshore, not too far off the dock. We'll give it a little toss. Should be about perfect. So we'll see what happens. You know, we don't need no rod holders. We need to prop her up right yonder. Me or Ethan's reeling in a big old carp, but you never know. You never know.
It's the plan, anyhow.
It's the great. Guys, there's a perfectly formed rainbow a beautiful scenic sunset. Carp jumping, carp feeding, lines bouncing. Hopefully, we can have some fish on board. Maybe it'll bring us good luck. Ethan, bring us some good old luck.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Right here. It's not a mirror carp, but it's a carp, guys. In the rain.
There we go. Look at this carp, guys. We need to go over to Ethan's rod. We can't take eyes off of it. Look at this carp, guys. This guy has some battle wounds on him. But if you hear that, it's during a thunderstorm. Ethan, I think we need to just stick with classic breading corn.
Agreed.
Carp, at least over in this area of Ohio, it seems to work better than the Jello stuff. And the panko. Well, the panko's pretty good, but the plant breadcrumbs, it breaks down really fast, and I like that. And this is faster fishing, so because it's just so stocked full of carp. He really wanted this thing. He really did. He had it choked down farther than I've hooked a carp this year. A nice long skinny carp. Not complaining, especially since it's been pouring and lightning and a rainbow and yeah, perfect. So don't typically like to drop carp, but it's all right, they'll live. All right, guys, we're wrapping it up at this spot. I will see you guys Thursday. Carp fishing again, somewhere, maybe here, maybe there, over at the community park. Hey, I'm out of prison finally, so I'm going out to Garlow. I'm gonna try to catch some carp. I'm only gonna be there for, it's 11:10 right now. I'm gonna be out there probably till 12:30ish, I'd say. Head on back home and get something to eat, and then tomorrow I'll be back out. We're at the spot, same spot as yesterday. It was 87 degrees yesterday. It's 57 today. It's a little bit more nippy, but we're gonna go right out in the same spot that I had casted, right along these trees right here. So yep, we're gonna have one like right there, and we're gonna have another one like right there, kind of close to each other, because you want to keep the bait balls in the same general spot. Alright guys, 10-minute warning. I'm not going to sit here and wait. I mean, there is carp feeding. Like, they're jumping everywhere. And they're even bouncing my line every one now and then, you know, you'll get a rod tip bounce. But I'm not going to wait on some slow feeding carp right now. Because I am colder than cold can get. It's Thursday, the day I've been talking about. Making a video, putting up this camera out at that piece of public with the non-typical that I saw. After that, we're gonna do 2 carp rods out, and meanwhile, I'm gonna crappie / bluegill fish. Either way, we're gonna be out on the water and in the woods. Well guys, we're here, but the wind is ripping. I am giving it 30 minutes.
Cast with the bobber.
It went at the rocks. I can't cast anything.
Guys, I got one. Oh my God. I got one. Oh yeah. here. I got one. Oh, yeah. Come here. Oh, come here. He's swimming to me. He's swimming to me. He's swimming to me. Guys, I'm gonna try. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Come here. It might be a catfish. I'm not sure yet. What do you feel good? Whatever it is. It is a catfish. It is a catfish. Oh, oh, I didn't think it happened. On the back bait. Nice old channel on the back bait, guys. Look at that. Oh, oh yeah. It is a gust now. Well, I mean, that just means we got. Oh shoot! I couldn't even believe my eyes when my rod was bending, dude. But we got him. We ain't gonna keep this one. We'll let him back out. Trying to catch some carp. Ah! Stop biting me. Gotta keep my eye on the other line. Let this guy go. That is so funny. I have the camera flipped the wrong way. You guys missed a little bit of the fight. Alright. I tried casting out again and getting the line to kind of lay the same way. Didn't work. Alright, I changed my mind. I put 30 more minutes on the clock. Rod out. 30 more minutes. Nothing wrong with that. See what happens.
Well, that's going to be it for this video. I caught a carp during a thunderstorm and a catfish during 40-mile-per-hour winds, damn near. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. We'll see you next time.